Hello guys, welcome to episode 6 of 18 area with Spusiso Chauke. Guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the likes. Please keep on doing that. I really appreciate, guys. Thank you so much. So here's another weekend of football. So normally I do the Barclays League because that's I don't know, the best league, so I choose to do. But going forward, I think I'll just try to put in some Bundesliga, La Liga, but this week I'll do the Barclays League. So we've got another weekend of 10 fixtures starting on Friday. So guys, I'll give my predictions as I always do. So the first game we have is Leicester City playing against Nottingham Forest. Both teams coming from wins. Leicester winning against Southampton, coming from behind from 2 goals down to win 3-2, and Forest winning against Crystal Palace. So it's a tough game. So I'm gonna go for a Forest win. Forest, they're playing away, so I'm gonna give them the win. So the second fixture, we've got Brighton playing against Wolverhampton Wanderers. Brighton winning their last game against Newcastle 1-0, with Wolverhampton losing to Manchester City in the dying minutes of the game 2-1. So I'll go for a Wolverhampton win. Why? Yes, they haven't won any games since the start of the Premier League, but I've been impressed with how they play, and I see them getting their first win this week against Brighton. So I'll go for a Wolverhampton win this time around, guys. Another fixture, we've got Manchester City playing against Southampton. Man City winning at Wolves, with Southampton losing at Leicester. So this one, guys, for me it's just obvious. I'll go for a Manchester City win. Manchester City will win against Southampton. Another fixture, we've got Brentford playing against Ipswich. Both teams losing this past week, with Brentford losing 2-1 to Manchester United and Ipswich losing 2-0 to Everton. So I'm gonna go for a Brentford win. Brentford to win, plus they're playing at home. So I'm gonna go for a win for Brentford United. And then we've got Aston Villa playing against Bournemouth. Both teams coming from huge wins, with Aston Villa winning at Fulham and Bournemouth winning against 10-man Arsenal. So we've got another tough fixture here. But for the fact that Aston Villa playing at home, I'm going to give them the win. Aston Villa to win against Bournemouth, plus yesterday they won their Champions League match, so they're doing well, Aston Villa. So I'm gonna give them this win. Another one, we've got Everton playing against Fulham. Everton winning at Ipswich and Fulham losing at Villa. So I'm gonna go for a Fulham win. Fulham are playing away, so I'll give them the win. Another fixture, it's Chelsea playing against Chelsea playing against Newcastle. Both teams coming from losses, with Chelsea losing at Liverpool and Newcastle losing at Brighton. So this one is also a tough fixture. So I'll go for either team to win, because they both play good football. So either team has a chance to win. So I'll give both teams a chance to win. So yeah, that's my prediction for that fixture. And then we've got Crystal Palace playing against Tottenham Hotspurs. So Spurs coming from a 4-1 win against West Ham United, with Crystal Palace still winless. I see Crystal Palace winless run continuing, guys. I'm gonna go for a Spurs win. Spurs to win against Crystal Palace. And then we've got West Ham playing against Manchester United. Yeah, this one is West Ham. They lost their last game against Spurs, with Manchester United coming from behind to win 2-1 at Brentford. So I'm gonna go for a straight draw. Straight draw for this fixture. United are very inconsistent. They win today and then the next time they lose. So with West Ham United not playing so well, uh, hence I'm going for a draw. So the last fixture, the big one, we've got Arsenal. Arsenal playing against Liverpool. Arsenal are playing at home. Uh, Liverpool are playing away, top of the Premier League table with 7 wins out of 8 games, and 3 wins in the Champions League. So they are in a red hot form, Liverpool. So I'm gonna go for a Liverpool win. Arsenal are missing some key players. William Saliba, he was red carded the last time out Arsenal played. He's their best defender. And then Ricardo Calafiori, he was injured yesterday in the Champions League. So Odegaard is not yet returned from injury. They've got Saka as well, who got injured during the international break. So they have quite good players sidelined. So for that reason, I'm giving Liverpool the win because I believe Liverpool, they know how to win. So I'll give them the win. So guys, those are my predictions for this week's fixtures. I hope I get them right because it's always 4 out of 10 fixtures that I get correct. So if I get 6, I'd be more than happy. So hopefully this is the week where I get 6 or 7 correct. So guys, please don't forget to like and to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good weekend. Cheers. Bye.